Students, next query I will teach you update command. Update command. So update command means what? That is a one table, any column or value you can update or changes. Sir, that person age is 55, sir. How to changes? How to edit? So that is a modify the commands, modify the records, modifying the records. So that is called to what? That is your update query. So update query, how to write that means just I will write. See here, follow that means MySQL greater than update command. So all the things caps lock should write. I should write in small case. You should write caps locks. Biodata in table set. What is this? Set age is equal to 13. Where you changed first name is equal to double quotation Krishna, double quotation closed. Now semicolon close, entry key press means now what changes it means who is Krishna, that person age, what is this? 13. 13 will be changed. 13 will be changed. That is here 13. Your book is 10 is there. That age person. Now you can, what is this? 13 will be changed. So this is using for update command. Update command. Okay. Next, some operator here you can using. Here you can using. Sir, that operator what is this, sir? Here what operator I will use? Equal. Equal symbol you can using. Okay. That like the SQL operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, then logical operator. So totally how many operator you can see in the SQL? That is a 3 operator you can use. That is the arithmetic operator, comparison operator or relational operator. Relational operator. So very carefully you can listen the students. So arithmetic operator means normally what is this? Plus, minus, asterisk, slash and modulus. Already you studying in 11th standard. Okay. Okay, good. Next, comparison operator means equal. Equal is there? Equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than is equal, greater than equal, then unequal. That is here unequal. So that is using for the comparison operator. So logical operator, what and all operators there? And then any, then between, next one exit, exit, in, like, not, or, unique. So many operators is having in the logical operator. Logical operator. So these and all, it is a SQL command. SQL command is there. That is a using these and all operator. Arithmetic operator, comparison operator or relative operators, logical operator. So these all the operator will be seeing in the last year in 11th standard. But these operator only you studying in the 12th standard. So logical operator and any, between, exit, in, like, not or unique. So these operator how to used, just each and every command is there. Just you can use in browsing also. That is a Google, you can go. So many examples is there. You can take SQL command, one example in AND operator and logical operator. One examples you can global. That is a, what is this? Google, you can go exit operator, one SQL command, one example you can see. That means many examples in YouTube and Google also is there. Okay, your book is not there. Just each and everything I will teach you. After that, you many examples you want means you go to Google, you can type and so many examples will come. Just you can execute. Just you will learn. Okay, SQL very interesting chapter. So only what is a table? Depending upon the table. Table only if you affect. What condition you gave, that condition applied to the table. Okay. In case you have a computer means just you can one day two or table you can create it. After that you can open. Okay. After that you can execute. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now you can go to next things. Sorting. What is this? Sorting records. Sorting records. Sorting record means what? That is the ascending and descending. This is ascending order, descending order only is there. This is how to do in SQL. Just you can syntax is there. That syntax I should write first. Syntax select star from table name order by column name, then semicolon. So how to write? Select star from table name, for example biodata table order by column name. What name? First name column. What order you want? You order you can get means normally what order will come? Ascending order will come. Sir, I want descending order, sir. Okay, good. Select star from biodata order by first name. Then over no in semicolon give it means that is the ascending order will come. In case descending order you want means DEC, just you can DESC semicolon give it means descending order will come. That is the Z to A will come. That is a descending order. Ascending order means what? A to Z will come. So that is a ascending and descending orders there. Okay, this is what is it? This is a sorting records in the SQL commands. Okay, SQL commands, these and all is there. Okay, next topic I will go to. So next topic, what does it means? Grouping the records. What is a grouping the records? Grouping means what? One or two table you can group. One or two columns you can groups. So that is called to what? Grouping records. Okay, just I will teach you one example. Select roll number, comma, some marks from exam group by roll number. So this query what do you explain mean to? Roll number one column is there, sum one column is there. Okay, so not sum is one function, mark is you can summed. Each and every marks you can added. Next what is this? Exam one table. Exam one table. Which table you can that? Exam table you can grouped by what grouped? That is a roll number group. So many roll numbers give. That roll number, what is this? Your book, see here, one table is there. Same roll number, one by one mark you can execute. For example, Tamil sir, you can enter the mark one day. Then same roll number no. English sir, you can add it one roll number. Okay, Max sir entered the some days. Each and every one you can add the same roll number. Same roll number only type no. Same roll number only type no. Computer science also same number you can write. Sir, for example, Vijay is roll number 101 means Vijay mark only you can add it in the each and every teachers. So every roll number you can store in the separate table. So that table how to group? How to group means if each and every mark, which roll number you can group? That is a roll number only group. Roll number 101ல எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதை எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? சம்ங்கிறத மார்க்கை ஆட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வாட் இஸ் இஸ் குரூப். தட் இஸ் ஏ குரூப்பிங். இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? ஒரே டேபிள் எடுத்துக்கோ. இப்போ அந்த டேபிளை எனக்கு லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்ணும். 101ல இருக்கிற 5 சப்ஜெக்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி 477. 102 முருகன் 500 எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணி எனக்கு டோட்டல் மட்டும் எனக்கு சம் பண்ணி மார்க்கை கொடுக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் ஏ மார்க்ஸ். This is a marks. That is a grouping records. Grouping records. Okay. Next, joining table. Joining table. Joining table means what? One or more table if you joined. One or more table if you joined. So how to join that means, one example I will set. See here, listen to me. Okay. So this is a big query. This is a big query. Just I should write, listen carefully. Select profile. One column is there. That is a profile table. Column profile table name column. Comma. Profile table hobby column. Hobby column. Comma, sum exam tables marks as total is from these and all, where it is from profile exam table. So இந்த queryல நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? That is it, from exam table and எங்க இருக்கு? exam table and profile table. ரெண்டு டேபிளையும் நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம்? ஜாயின் பண்றோம். எப்படி ஜாயின் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, வேர் ஒரு கண்டிஷன் நான் கொடுக்குறேன். என்ன கண்டிஷன்? profile dot roll number equal exams dot roll number. So profile one table இருக்கு, அதுல ஒரு ரோல் நம்பர் இருக்கும். எக்ஸாம்ல ஒரு டேபிள் இருக்கு, அதுல ஒரு ரோல் நம்பர் இருக்கும். இந்த ரெண்டு ரோல் நம்பரையும் மேட்ச் பண்ணி குரூப்பிங் பண்ண சொல்றேன். GROUP group by profile dot name comma profile dot hobby. So semicolon closed. So இப்போ நான் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? ப்ரொஃபைலுங்கிற செலக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். எதை செலக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? ப்ரொஃபைலுக்கு டேபிளில் நேமை செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன், ஹாபியை செலக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன செலக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? சம் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். எக்ஸாம்ங்கிற டேபிளில் மார்க்கை சம் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஆஸ் ஏ டோட்டலில் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணி எங்க டோட்டலில் நான் சேவ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஃப்ரம் எந்தெந்த டேபிளை நான் எடுத்துக்க சொல்றேன்? ப்ரொஃபைல்ங்கிற ஒரு டேபிளை, எக்ஸாம்ங்கிற ஒரு டேபிளை. ஓகே, இப்போ ரெண்டு டேபிளையும் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், ரெண்டு ரோல் நம்பரும் ஈக்குவலா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை எனக்கு குரூப் பண்ணி காமி. எதையும் குரூப் பண்ணி காமி, ப்ரொஃபைல் நேமையும் ப்ரொஃபைல் ஹாபியும் எனக்கு ஒரு டேபிள் எடுத்து போடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஸோ இதுதான் என்னுடைய கொரி. இதுதான் என்னது, ஜாயினிங் ஆஃப் த டேபிள்ஸ். ஜாயினிங் ஆஃப் த tables. Okay, are you understand the students? So one or two times in this query you can execute in the system means you should understand. Okay, don't confuse. In case any confuse means just you can, so many examples in Google is there, YouTube is there. Okay, just you can watch that, so many examples is there. Okay, don't worry, no problem. Okay, good. So next only one is there, that is what is a sub query. That is what is this sub queries. What is sub queries? Sub queries is nothing. Sub queries means employee table and student table. For example, teacher table and what is this, teachers table and students table. That is a sub queries you should write, means that is a sub query one table is there. Okay, subquery is one table is there, that subquery also is there. Okay, this is called to nested inner subquery. In nested inner subquery means what, one query inside one more query is there, that is called to what, subquery. Okay, the subquery always written within a parenthesis. Okay, within a parenthesis. Okay, good. So one examples I will set. Subqueries is there, just one examples I will teach you. Order list. Order, see here, this is a order by one, that is a one command is there, that command you can rules and this you can main queries. That is a subquery means bracket inside you can subqueries there. Okay, nested inner queries. Okay, good. See here, next only one this there, employee numbers I will teach you. Employee details. Employee details I will teach you. See here, one example I will say, select command star from employee table or database. Table where EMP ID in, select EMP ID from employee where salary less than 20,000 bracket close semicolon close. Now what is this? Here also one select command is there, here also one select command is there. So select inside one more command is there, that is called to what, subqueries. Okay, subqueries means what is the inside one subquery you should write. So that is called to what, subqueries. Okay, here what I told means employee number, employment inside what is this, EMP ID you can take that. Select EMP ID from where, salary who and all 20,000 below, those 4 person only display. So only your 2 persons only display in your book. What is this? 101 Ram 15,000. Then 102 Priya, it is a 13,000. 13,000 only you displayed. Okay, he is what, 15,000, she is what, 13,000. So this is a condition. If you enter key press means, so this table you can display. Okay, so this chapter is over. So each and everything will see your examples, more examples is there. Just you can go to each and every commands, every queries is the Google or YouTube you can go in, means so many examples will come, just you can visit. If you lot of command is there, that command you can use the means will come. Okay, easily you understand. Okay, thank you students. So this chapter is over. Okay, thank you. 1 or 2 times you can all the queries you should learn, after that you understand. Okay, thank you.